1999 Larson 23-foot bow rider on a tandem axle drive-on bunk trailer with surge brakes, pop-up cleats, bimini top. Boat is currently being stored at the owner's lake home, viewable by appointment. 226 LXI is the model. Volvo Penta engine. We'll jump inside the boat, take a look. Nice deep open bow with storage underneath the seats. Designated anchor storage. Wide walk-through windshield. Capacity for 13 people. Dual bucket seats. Full U-wrap seating. Upholstery is in good shape. Big sun pad off the back. AM/FM CD player. Full instrumentation with depth finder. Carpet's nice and clean. We'll take a look at the engine.